It's Justice, and you know I'm back. I'm back with the get ready with me, even though I'm about to go now. You just see me doing this makeup look. You know, just something kind of fall, simple, quick. Like this is like one color on my eye, and I blended it out with another color, just you know, get that gradient effect. And I'm using my lip gloss. This is the Realer lip gloss. It's on my website. Using my lashes. This is the Style Center. It's on my website. If you want to book with me, you can book with me. It's on my website. But yeah, so this is just a quick little fall look this year. I did a fall look last year if y'all didn't see it. And it was a little bit more, it had like glitter and stuff. This year I was like, it's cold. I just want to be able to get out the house in time to warm my car up. So, quick look. If you like this look, like this video, like, comment, subscribe, come to be with the family. Come be with the family, be part of the team. You already know what's going on. I was gonna flat iron my hair, but I'm running out of time because I have to go today to Nashville. I might vlog today. Get 2 videos in one. But we'll see. I might vlog, I might not. But yeah, so if you like this video, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let you get on into the video. Make sure you watch to the end so you can see everything. Yeah, all right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Okay, you guys. So now we are moisturizing our lips with this classy lip gloss you can find on my website. It is a clear lip gloss and it's really moisturizing. And now I am using a toner and I am going over my face. And that helps. I do it before I do my makeup because it helps your skin to look so refreshed. And it's helping with those dark spots. And now we are moisturizing. Even though I'm oily, I still moisturize with like a dry skin moisturizer because in the wintertime, sometimes I have like some spots on my face that's kind of dry if I'm not drinking enough water and things like that. So water is very important for everything in your body. Skin, hair, nails, everything. Okay, and now I'm going in with my primer, which is for oily skin. I usually use the Black Radiance primer on myself. And always rub up against gravity so you don't get wrinkles. And here we go with these eyebrows. Lord, I'm telling you guys, I don't have any eyebrows. Y'all see my little magic trick, right? Y'all saw my little magic trick. Okay, I'm sorry. I was so excited to do that. I see people do it on Instagram. I wanted to be an Instagrammer. And I was color matching just to make sure because I was trying out some different foundation. You guys, I am really liking this Cover FX foundation. You guys, if you've tried it, comment below. Let me know if you've tried it and did you like it. Because I think I like it. I think I love her. I'm sorry. So now I'm just showing you, I was just showing you guys what it looked like side by side. And now we're going in. We're going to highlight first. So I usually do my forehead, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, above my lip. And I usually highlight on my eyelid if I don't do eyeshadow, or even if I do. And if I'm really fancy, I might highlight under my contour on those days I'm really feeling myself. As you can see, I'm putting it on my lids right now. I am going to do a simple eyeshadow, so that really works as my base. And do not mind my crazy faces, because I do make crazy faces when I do my makeup. Alright, so we're just going to blend it in, not blend it out. Blend in, do not blend out, if you get what I mean. Keep it where it's supposed to be. If it's supposed to only be light on one spot, it should only be light in one spot. Don't blend it all the way down to your jawbone. And I do apologize that I keep looking down, but that's where my mirror is. And I really wasn't paying attention to the fact that I record on my phone, that my phone was higher than my mirror. And so, yeah, I do apologize about that. I am going to work on that as well. But as you guys can see, we are getting better. The quality is getting better. Things are coming along. So bear with me. And you'll see me blend a lot. And that's because I like to blend and I kind of push it into my skin when I'm blending. And now, eyeshadow. So I wanted to do something simple. So I'm going to take a lighter brown color in my crease and a darker brown color on my lid. The lighter brown is just to kind of give the darker brown a transition out. I'm using my Morphe. I think it's the 3502 palette. Which I've had forever. I'm really in the market for searching for some new products. If you guys have eyeshadow palettes that you just love, if you have blush palettes that you love, that's affordable. Because like I said, I'm shopping around. I might not love it. So I don't want to buy it if it's super expensive. I'm not going to love it. But put it in the comment section below. I'm also looking for setting powders. Yeah. So just pretty much anything that you like. I kind of need just some new stuff to try and play around with. So as you can see, when I'm setting, I push it into my skin. I'm not really a baker. Even though some oily people will bake, I don't like it. I don't really bake. So I'd rather just push it in to my skin. You guys excuse me, it's extremely cold here, so I might be sniffling just a little bit. I do apologize right now. I also set my smile lines because they get on my ever-loving nerve. And so I try to combat that. Okay, and so I'm just doing my contour, a powder contour, not a liquid or cream or anything like that on myself. I don't really do as much when it comes down to contouring. I've even stopped contouring my nose. Like, my makeup is pretty much bare minimum compared to what I do when I'm actually doing someone else's makeup. Honestly, you guys, I did not like the color on this. I didn't like how it just turned out, but I was in a rush. I was really in a rush whenever I made this video. I was supposed to be going to pick up my mom from the airport, and I wanted my makeup did because I had to pick her up in a whole nother city. I had to drive 3 hours away to pick her up at the airport. I was like, well, why not do my makeup for this little road trip? So right now I'm setting my foundation. So anywhere that I haven't put contour or setting powder, then I have to set that makeup. I can't just leave it there. It needs a powder on top of it as well. And that is what I'm doing. So it'll probably be best to take like a face powder that's your shade. And then I'm putting a little bit of a blush. Really is eyeshadow. And always, if anything looks too harsh, has harsh lines, go back in, blend it out. Blend it out. Blend it out. See, I was like, oh no, my face. You guys, when I really look at these videos, I laugh because I'm a character and I never get to see what I look like. No. So, we're highlighting. If you have a highlighter that you love, please leave it in the comment section below, as I'm on the market for a highlighter right now. And now we're moving into lip gloss. It's my Realer lip gloss. It's on my website. It's a brown lip gloss. It has like blue flakes in it. It's really pretty. I've added lashes and liner. And then we can set this makeup, honey. Yes. So I'm just setting my makeup, and this is going to be the finished product. I do appreciate you guys for watching the entire video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, my makeup Instagram, and my business Instagram. Stay blessed.